Hello, my name's Minhua. Today I learn Abigail.
Welcome to arithmetic. We're going to start with our 4 multiplication family. Girls are going to say the first fact, then boys, you will come and echo them with the second fact. So girls stand, 0 times 4, together begin. 0 times 4 equals 0. 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 times 4 equals 20. 6 times 4 equals 24. 7 times 4 equals 28. 8 times 4 equals 32. 9 times 4 equals 36. 10 times 4 equals 40. 11 times 4. Yes.
18.
Yes, Cadence.
16.
You got it.
6.
Nice job, row 2 and students watching.
12.
Yes.
36.
36.
4.
Good.
20.
Yes.
0. 9. 20.
Excellent speed, row 3.
9. 18.
18.
15.
15. 14.
24. 28.
28 is correct.
9.
Yes.
6. 22.
Good speed, row 4.
30. 1. 0.
Yes, good, Kathleen.
10.
Yes.
16. 20. 21.
Good, Dev.
44. 27.
27, good, Dev and Carly, row 5.
24.
You've got it.
24.
24.
48.
Good, Kate.
30. 12.
Good, Kaden.
40.
Yes.
36.
You've got it.
32.
Yes.
12. 18.
18 is right.
16. 26.
6.
12. 36.
Good, Asa. Excellent thinking. Now let's continue on with our 3 division family. This time boys will start and girls will echo. Boys stand, 0 divided by 3. Doing the division side. Ready? Begin. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. 36 divided by 3 equals 12. You've got it. Now we're going to go through some of those division facts this time. Students watching, you also be ready to participate with row 2. Row 1, stand.
4.
Good.
12.
Yes, Cadence.
1.
2 is right.
9.
Not 9.
1.
1.
12. 9. 7.
7. Good thinking, Cadence. Row 2 and students watching.
12.
8. Good, Arthur.
3.
3. Good, Jacob.
9.
Yes, Una.
6.
Good.
5.
Yes.
12. 5.
5. Good, Jacob.
11.
11.
4. 2.
2 is right. Row 3.
3.
Good, Emily.
11.
Yes, 11 is correct.
1.
1.
0.
0.
12.
Good, Emily.
1.
Yes.
8.
Good speed. Row 4.
7.
Yes, Dev.
18.
Not 18, but
8.
8.
4.
4.
9.
Good, Dev.
0.
Yes.
10.
Good.
11.
Yes.
7.
Good speed. Row 5.
12.
Good.
1. 2.
2.
3.
Yes.
4.
4. Good thinking, Kaden.
5.
Good, Josh.
6.
Yes, Lexi? 10 is right.
6.
Excellent, Speed. Good thinking at the end there. Well done. Now we're going to go over some addition and subtraction facts. Same thing, but this time I want you to think about some favorite breakfast foods that you enjoy eating, and you be ready to answer when I call something that you enjoy eating. If you enjoy eating cereal, stand.
8.
Good.
9.
Yes.
13. 6.
Excellent, Speed. You may be seated. I can tell you must have had your cereal this morning. If you enjoy your eggs, stand.
3.
3.
14.
14.
Good.
11. 11. 1.
4.
Good, Speed. Waffles or pancakes? Continue.
17. 1. 3. 9. 4. 3.
Good, Speed. I can tell you definitely enjoy having that for breakfast. Now, when I call your name, you be ready to give me the answer. Tyra. Aiden. 14 is right. Good. Adriana.
11.
Good. Gage.
13.
Yes. Carson.
8.
Close.
7.
7. Emily.
8.
You've got it. Jimmy.
13.
Yes. Madison.
8.
Jacob.
13.
Yes. Carson.
15.
That's it. Gage. 5. Una.
3.
You've got it. Aiden. 8. Presley.
9.
That's it. Kathleen.
13.
Yes. Dev.
6.
Anna.
3.
You've got it. Josh.
14.
Lexi.
11.
Amaya. 11 is right. Students watching. Carly.
1.
Good thinking. Now we're going to think through some of these facts as a part of our rapid calculation practice. So wait for me to call your row. Students watching are a part of row 2. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals row 1. Jackson.
12.
Madison.
9.
9 is the correct answer. 5 plus 5 plus 5, row 4 equals. Deb.
15.
15 is right. 4 times 4 minus 2 equals row 2. Arthur. Adriana.
14.
14 is correct. Good thinking. 8 divided by 2 minus 4 equals row 3. Emily.
0.
0. Fast thinking. 12 divided by 2 minus 3 equals row 5. Asa.
3.
3. Fantastic. For anyone, I'm going very fast. So you listen very quickly. 3 times 4 divided by 2 equals. Morgan. Tyra. Arthur. Arthur.
6.
6 is correct. If you said 6, you were thinking very quickly. Well done. We're going to be on lesson 31. You'll have 3 minutes. Prepare for your speed drill. And Jimmy, you can work under the firefly. Carson, you can work under the owl. Students watching and those at your seat, you are working on your scrap sheet of paper in front of you. Write the number that I say. 2,910. And both of you are correct. Make sure as you're writing your numbers, you're very neat as you form that 9. Your next number, 500,931. Both of you are correct. 500,931 is the correct answer. 90,000. Yes, 90,000 should be the answer that you have written. Last number, 830. Good, 830. Well done, boys. Let's have Emily and Una come to the chalkboard. You're going to help us now with some rounding. We're going to round these numbers to the tens place. So think carefully. If it's 5 and higher, are you going to round up or down? Madison?
Up.
Good. And if it's 4 And lower, which direction do you round? Anna?
Down.
That's correct. Our first number, 139. And what is your answer, Emily?
140.
Yes, 140 is correct. 78. What does that round to, Una?
80.
Yes, both of you are correct. 33. Emily?
30.
Yes, both of you are correct. Did you have to round up or down for that one? Emily?
Down.
Down is correct. 175. And Emily?
180.
Yes, if you had all of those correct, you may put a smile beside that section. Now we're going to take a look at some of these measures. Go ahead and put your scrap sheet of paper and a pencil away. As we read through our measures, we're going to say or fill in the missing blank for the fact that would go in the middle. Let's have our girls stand, and we're going to read the first one. Here, begin. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Well done. Boys, continue. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard, 60 minutes. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Excellent teamwork, boys. Well done. Let's take a look at this chart. We're going to take a look at some of our geometric solids. Listen as I ask several questions. On our cube, what do we call the shape of the face on the cube? Presley?
Square.
Yes, this has a square face. How many faces does a sphere have, Emily?
None.
Right? The cone is resting on its face on the bottom. What shape is the face of the cone on the bottom, Madison? Underneath of it, the face that it's resting on, what shape is that?
A circle.
It is a circle. Nice job. What do we call the place where two of the faces meet? Morgan?
The edge.
Yes, that is correct. Let's take a look at our cylinder. What is the shape of the face at the top and the bottom? Dev?
The circle.
Good. Let's take a look at our rectangular prism. What is the shape of one of the faces on this rectangular prism, Emily?
It's rectangle.
Yes, one is a rectangle, and what is the other, Adriana?
A square.
Yes, so this one has both a square and a rectangle face on one of the sides. These shapes, these solids, are different from the beginning shapes that we learned because they have 3 dimensions: height, length, and depth. So those 3 dimensions make them different because they have that extra dimension to them. Now let's take a look at the chalkboard. As we look at the chalkboard, we're going to take a look at an addition problem. Jimmy, will you go ahead and turn on the lights for us? This addition problem we're going to solve together. Then we're going to take a look at how could I check my work to be accurate. You've heard teachers encourage you to check your work. Make sure your answer is correct. We're going to find out a way today how we can do that with an extra step to work for accuracy. So we're going to take a look at this first problem right here. 4 plus 2 is, class?
6.
Good. Now let's go over to the the tens column rather. 7 plus 9 equals?
16.
16. So my answer is 166. But the next way that we can check our work to make sure, did we add correctly? This is the way we are going to do it. You're going to do 2 lines at the top. So you'll put 2 lines right here, and you're going to add up. Normally, we add down. But now to check, we're going to add up. We're going to do the opposite. Remember, the factors in an addition problem can be switched, and the answers will not change. So if we added correctly, then this number should be the same number on the top. But we need to cover up our answer while we check. we don't just want to copy it, we actually want to think through it again. So I'm going to cover this bottom number. We're going to start on the bottom 2. 2 plus 4 equals?
6.
Good. Now, don't think through this one. Start above. Start with the 9. 9 plus 7 equals?
16.
16 is correct. And look, both of these numbers match, which means that our answer is correct. 166 and 166. So this must be the correct answer. Our problem is correct. We checked our work. Let's add through this one, and then we will check it. 3 plus 4 equals?
7.
Good. 4 plus 9 equals?
13.
So we have our 3, and we'll carry the 1 to the top of the next column. 1 plus 9 equals?
10.
10 plus 9 equals?
19.
19. So I have my 9. I bring it to the next column. 1 plus 7 equals?
8.
Plus 5 equals?
13.
So 3 on the bottom, carry the 1 to the next column. 1 plus 6 equals?
7.
Plus 4 equals?
11.
Where does the comma go in this number, Gage?
Between 9 and 3.
Yes. Is it the first 3 or the second 3?
First.
First. So between this 3 and this 9, read this answer for us, Carson.
113,937.
You've got it. Excellent job. Now let's check to see if our problem is correct. To help us check this, we're going to erase this right here, and then we will do our 2 lines right here. Now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to start on the bottom and go up. We're going to ignore the number underneath. 4 plus 3 is?
7.
7. 9 plus 4 is?
13.
13. And you say, how are we going to carry? We carry down at the bottom. So you put your number to carry right here, and then you add up. 1 plus 9 is?
10.
Plus 9 is?
10.
Okay, so you have 10 plus 9 is 19. So you write your 9 on top, and then you carry the 1 to the bottom, and you add up. 1 plus 5 is?
6.
Plus 7 is?
13.
13. So then you carry the 1 to the bottom. 1 plus 4 is?
5.
5 plus 6 is?
11.
11. So then we'll place our comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, and both of the numbers are the same, which means our answer checks it is correct. We're going to practice working and checking our problems. Take out your arithmetic page. Write your name at the top. Now let's take a look at checking an addition problem. Look and listen as I read the steps. Number 1, add just as you normally do. Number 2, draw a double line at the top of the problem. Number 3, now add upwards. Remember that add-ins can be added in any order. Number 4, the sum you get by adding upwards should be the same as your first sum. Number 5, if it is not, add again and look for any mistake. So let's look at number 1. You're going to work the problem and then check your problem going by starting at the bottom and adding up. So work A, B, C, and D. Work the problem and check the problem to make sure your problems are correct. Take your time, work accurately and carefully. You may begin. Jimmy, do number 1. Madison, do number 2. Cadence, do number 3. Carson, do number 4. It's the purple one at the top. This rounding.